Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an easy jack-o'-lantern emoji. And so let's just start by drawing basically a circle that's a little bit flattened at the bottom. Right at the top, we're going to have these lines kind of meet in the middle, curving down slightly. And then from here then, it's going to go up just a little bit because this is going to be the stem. Go up a little bit and meet in the middle. Alright, so from here we'll just draw a short line that goes up on either side for the stem, and then a curved line to connect them. Let's just draw a couple lines here in the middle. Let's just draw some details on the stem. Just some parallel lines kind of randomly placed, and then now here these are going to start curving out a little bit to show the form of the pumpkin, so these have to start flaring out. Okay, and we can fine-tune some of the details here because I'm going to outline this in a little bit with a thicker Sharpie. So now right in the middle, right here, is a triangle that's soft cornered. So let's just draw that. And then a couple ovals that are slightly tilted. Alright, so not straight up and down, but slightly tilted this way for the right eye. So let's just draw that oval. And same on this side, it's going to tilt this way now to the left. So let's see where we need to be, like right about here. Okay, so next we're going to draw the smile. He's got two teeth, so we're going to start like right here, and let's say the other corner will be right there with a dot. And let's just start right here, just on the left side of the nose. Curve it up, and then continue this curve to this other dot. And then right here then will be the tooth. So just a short line down, and then again follow the curve for the tooth. So now we'll draw the bottom of the mouth, and there'll be a tooth right here. So maybe from here, draw this line to the tooth, and then we'll continue this line over to the other corner. So from here, let's see, from here, start curving it up, and let's finish off the tooth. Couple lines. Next, I'm going to draw some of the detail lines, including the inside of this eye. So as you go this way around the curve, you're going to be able to see the inside thickness of this pumpkin. So we'll just draw a line just inside here, and then on this side then we'll be able to see this side, the thickness. So draw that line, and we'll just go ahead and draw another couple lines here for the top of the nose, and then here we'll be able to see the right side of the mouth, and here. Okay, so next we're going to draw some details on the pumpkin itself. So from here we're just going to draw a line that goes this way. So right here, just like what we did here with the stem, draw a line that goes to the eye, and same here on the other side. And we're going to continue this line towards the bottom. So here, past the eye, to the mouth, and here. And we're going to continue it down here, but as we get to the bottom, we're going to curve it more. Right here. And then we'll draw another one that goes continuously from the top and to the bottom. Same here. Next, I'm just going to draw a detail line right here to show some thickness of the stem. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and outline the whole thing, making some of these lines a little bit thicker, like right here. And that's it. This is our pumpkin emoji. Fairly easy and simple. So thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Happy Halloween and have a great day. Bye.